Where do I start? Guess I start with me. Should I start explaining exactly what I'm feeling? Like how I wasn't sure if you would listen to me, and how I used to stare when you were awfully busy. I remember all the talks and all the journeys we had, venturing through the forest of love with no path. And it was as clear to us as each day became the past, we would become somebody's together, look down and laugh. Thank you for the rides and keeping me blazed all day. But girl, you don't understand, it wasn't about that anyway. I was feeling all your vibes and loving the words you say. I love looking in your eyes and saying I love you, babe. Sometimes I would sit and wonder, are we on the same page? Cause the outside red happy while the inside cry pain. I could see it in your eyes, it was blatant in your face. And slowly but sure enough, your loving began to fade.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead.
But now you see that's gone, all that's down the drain. You had to do some dirt. Why'd you go and play them games? Y'all were chillin' in the whip and you try to look away. Why can't you come up clean? You know my niggas seen your face. I thought everything was good, but obviously I was wrong. So since it's best we don't talk, I thought I would write this song, hoping that maybe you'd hear it. And you know now what is gone. It's your chance for bigger, better. It's your future with a dawn. But you went off on him and I simply wished you the best. And of course you came back crawling and said you got in a mess. I was still there for consolement, I was still there while you stressed. I'm the one you wanna talk to every night that you can rest. I say we all make bad decisions, but I swear yours was the worst. For you to choose that over me just bothers till it hurts. Cause I know I treat you better and I wish for it to work. But I gotta say whatever, gotta bury it in dirt.
Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forget me, I beg. I'll remember you say sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead. Sometimes it lasts and loves, but sometimes it hurts instead.